All right, guys, let's check out some Christmas items here at Costco. Look at this, for $219. You got 10 feet cone tree with LED lights. That's pretty cool. Very nice, with a star on top. All right, next you got a $230 5 feet penguin. That's what it looks like. And for $100, you get this little tree, pre-lit already, comes with everything. For $1,000, you get a 12 feet pre-lit micro LED tree. Very cool. Moving along, this is a ribbons, 50-yard ribbons, $7.99. So as you can see here, there's a lot of different colors, and you can come to Costco and check that out. We also have paper rolls, 270 square feet in total, 15 bucks. Again, more different designs, more wrapping paper. Here we go, double-sided, 270 square feet roll. All right, so we got holiday movie advent calendar. So we have what, Elf. There we go, 24 surprises. That's what it's gonna look like. You got A Christmas Story, very classic advent calendar. All right, and we got, what else? Anything else? Oh, just those two. All right, and we got holiday gift tags, 100 of them for $12.79 is what they look like. Right there. And these are Squishmallows right there, 4-inch mini ornaments. Here we go. So this is what they look like right here. There's 8 of them. Okay, so there's no example on these, but just looking at the picture, this is what it looks like. That's how much it is. I guess that's what it should look like. Let me see. Nope. Nope, nope. So for $55.99, you get this 100 LED glitter gem garland right there. And oh, this is what it looks like right here. Very cool. Swarovski ornament for $44.99. This is what it is up close. Super shiny. And look at that. That's pretty cool. So you get 2 glass trees right there. And this is $69.99. Dude, check that out. It's an arcade 1-up pub table. Nice. These are all the games that you could play. If you're familiar with that, you probably grew up in the 80s. And look at that. Button, screen, cup holders. That's pretty cool. 2 people can play at the same time for $500 at Costco. And right next to it, there's a Pac-Man Partycade. That's what it says. Yeah, look at that. Another arcade system here for $200. Here's another section of the store to check out. See you over there.